Well, hello and welcome to Fallout 4. We are in Nuka World right now, and we just got done building the new medical center in Nuka World, considering the fact there's only one doctor in the market. So we had Joel Smith Homes build this medical center for us, and it's a UV Medical Center, and it's being right now staffed by Dr. Kara and Dr. Matt. So here's a picture of it. It's not been opened yet, but we are stocking it and getting ready to open here in the next couple of weeks. And Joel Smith Homes did a nice job on it. We used mainly Slocum Joe's building materials up here because of the modern look and the flexibility. Also too, for those who are in Fallout 4 know that's the overseer's desk, which made a nice center. We got 2 stations of Slocum Joe's coffee and donuts on the table. We got a little area for the kids to play with trucks, blast radios, checkers, Jingles the Moon Monkey, and we use stuff from the new package, the Holiday Workshop, and a vault. Also too, there's 2 reeds behind our glass enclosure. We use some of the furniture from the Nor and Nuka World, the Heatertronic, curtains from the Nuka World, and this is Dr. Kara's office. For those who don't know, I had back surgery in June, and Dr. Kara was a surgeon who did my back. Did a fantastic job. I've never felt better in the 3 years that I had spinal stenosis. So we decided to do this as a dedication to her and my primary care doctor, Dr. Matt. So we have something similar to the medical center that I go to here where I live. Oops, we just knocked over the microscope. Inside, she is stocked with everything she needs. Flasks, medicines, scalpels, bone cutters, because she is a surgeon. And here is the exam room with the exam chair. Let's see if we can, we'll just lay that down for the time being. There's some antiseptic. And here's Dr. Matt's. Same setup. Only his microscope is not falling over. We also got him stocked with needed supplies. Since he is a primary care doctor, he sometimes sees the kids, so we got bubble gum, medical supplies, medications, and we also use whiskey as a wound antiseptic, because sometimes we can't find antiseptic. This is a rather short supply. Like I said, this was a lot of fun to build, especially for Dr. Kara. I'm not using last names because I rather not. They might get a little upset with me, but Dr. Kara, I did this especially for you because of the great job you did on me as a surgeon. and I appreciate all you've done for me, and this is just a little something to show my appreciation. You got your own medical center. Oh, we knocked over the umbrella stand. Also too, this is the player home where I live, so there's no excuse for me missing my doctor's appointment because of the roads. This here is under the canopy. We've got a fireplace for a nice quiet evening. We got stereos, plays music. There's my traveling companion, Piper, who's a newspaper reporter. There's like someone else I know, Joel Smith Holmes, I think, used to be a newspaper reporter. And inside here is the player home where I repair my armor. This here we brought back from the grand opening of the Slocum Joe's in Sanctuary, right next to the Jessic Travel Agency. This is our main home on the west coast, on the west part of the development, and yeah, we got her all kind of decked out with the globe buoys from Nuka World, or not Nuka World, but Far Harbor. You don't have to worry about using a life preserver here because I don't think anybody's going to drown unless it's going to be in the bathtub. And of course, we have our TV set, our Giddy Up Buttercup, and next to it, I'm not too good, I'm looking at through my monitor on the camera. Is Slocum Joe, which I've already did a video on. And here is my tribute to Pink Floyd. A momentary lapse of reason. Here's a little patio up there for those who want to sit out and have coffee and donuts, or they can sit inside. Because everybody knows that who used to live in the desert up there that it gets hot during the day, but it gets kind of chilly at night. And over there is Nuka World itself, which we won't go into because they're still packed, they're still operators, and because we have 3 doctors now, we feel it might be enough to take care of the wounded that due to shootouts. So I'd like to thank Joel Smith Homes Incorporated for building the medical center, and we shall see you later. So this is Michael from I don't even know where I'm at. Yes, we're headed towards, there we go, we're headed back. It's kind of dangerous being out in the wastelands. You never know when someone's going to want to sniper you. So this is Michael from Jesse Biking, hoping you enjoyed this little video. As much fun as I had making it. So until next time, this is Michael from Jesse Biking saying have a great evening, and for those, just in case I don't see you before the holidays, you all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye now.